Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make a copy of Word document. First, open Word document you want to copy. Then go to the left corner and click on File. From here, choose Save As or Save a Copy. So I am choosing Save As option. Next, select the location or your computer where you want to save. It could be a desktop, documents, or any folder you like. So I'm choosing desktop. Now give your file new name so you can easily recognize it. For example, I'm giving demo 1. Then make sure you are selecting the file type set is to be Word document or .docx. Finally, save. Click on the save button, and your copy is ready to use. So that's it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.